Bada bing, bada boom. I'll just pop it up. Two 10mm black screws you'll see are underneath these little black caps. And then you got the two window clamp 10mm inside these larger holes right here on the rear doors. So you just want to go ahead and make sure that you loosen those up, because those hold and pinch the window in place. So you'll remove those. The window shouldn't drop or anything, and you'll pull the window up after that. So I just removed those two screws holding the window clamp. So now you're just going to grab the window. Obviously, you want to be careful, it's breakable, right? So just lift and kind of slide it out, just like so. Right. And now that I did that, I'm going to go ahead and remove all these silver bolts around the edge. All right, so I just connected the two 10mm bolts that hold the bracket in, and then I just put in the fasteners that connect the window pinchers to hold the window in place, and then I ran the window up and down just to make sure everything was good, and so far so good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start securing all the bolts back onto the door panel and close the door back up. So now I got my fish up and through here, and then I connected and taped it to the thing. I'm gonna pull it up. I put a little bit of soapy water in there just to make it slide just a tad easier, just to get it through, because the knob is kind of thick on there. So I'll pull it up and through, and then I'll feed it through here, and then I have the cable for the driver's side door ready to go. I already have the handles up and in there, so they're already installed. Look good on here, look just like stock. All right, so something really important I found, if you don't do it correctly, it will not work. I was having my rear passenger door, when it would unlock, it would automatically come and open the door, right? I was like, what the heck? So when I had taken this apart, that adapter that they talk about, for some reason, I accidentally put it down like this, instead of like this, which I'm not sure why I did that, or wasn't paying attention or something. Might have been talking to somebody while I was doing it. So definitely make sure it goes upward.